Okay, students, in this video, I am going to explain exercise 5.1, 10th problem, analytical geometry, Tamil Nadu plus 2 max. Determine, this is very easy problem, students, like eating like a chocolate or biscuit. Determine whether the points minus 2 comma 1, 0 comma 0 and minus 4 comma minus 3 lie outside or on or inside the circle of this circle. That means one circle is given, this is a circle, and some points are given, 3 points are given. Then you need to identify those points actually where they lies. அது எந்த எங்கே இருக்கும், சர்க்கிளுக்கு அவுட் சைடா, சர்க்கிளுக்கு இன்சைடா, ஆன் த சர்க்கிளா, அந்த நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகே, see, these are the 3 cases, students. That point may present on the circle. So in this case, this is a distance, it will be equal to radius r. That means what? If we substitute this point on this circle, it should be 0. Okay, then point lies on the circle. Suppose if we substitute, it is greater than 0 means what? Outside. Okay, that means the point P lies outside the circle. Suppose less than 0 means what? Inside the circle. Negative value. Not negative value, inside the circle means this value should be less than 0. Okay, so that is the meaning. So the point may lies outside or on or inside depending upon the value of this one. Okay, value of this one means you need to substitute the point directly in this equation. Suppose if you take the general equation, x square plus y square plus 2jx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, the point is substituted directly in this circle, like x1 square plus y1 square plus 2jx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Then we have to decide whether it is greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0. So greater than 0 means the point lies outside like this. Less than 0 means the point lies inside like this. Is equal to 0 means the point lies on the circle. Okay. So for example, you got 60 or 50 greater than 0. The point P lies outside the circle. Suppose you got minus 20 less than 0. The point lies inside the circle. Suppose you got 0 itself. The point lies on the circle. Like that you can find. It's very easy, students. So this is the circle equation they given. First we will check minus 2 comma 1 whether this point lies outside or inside or on. Okay, directly we substitute. Directly we substitute this point minus 2 the whole square plus 1 the whole square minus 5 into minus 2 because x value minus 2, y value 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 5. So what is the answer? 4 because minus 2 the whole square. Minus into minus, it is not 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 you have to multiply 2 times like this. Plus 1 minus and minus plus 10 plus 2 minus 5. So what is this answer? That is equal to 4 plus 1 5. This 5 cancel, 12. 12 is greater than 0. Therefore, the point minus 2 comma 1 lies outside the given circle or outside of the circle, whatever it may be, it doesn't matter. So this is based on theorem 5.3, students, in your textbook. The second one, second point is what? 0 comma 0. Very simple because x0 y0 here itself will come to know. Okay, so it becomes what? 0 square plus 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 2 into 0 minus 5. So it is nothing but it is all 0, 0, 0, minus 5 less than 0. Therefore, the point 0 comma 0 lies, okay, inside. That is obviously no, because that is the center. origin. So this is inside the circle only. Otherwise, it will be a point circle. Okay. So this is a inside. Then last point, students, minus 4 comma minus 3. Where this point lies? Same way we will check. Third point, I am substituting, students. Point 3 minus 4 minus 3. Okay. So minus 4 the whole square plus minus 3 the whole square minus 5 into minus 4 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 5. So we will check where this point lies. Minus 4 the whole square 16. This is 9 plus 20 minus 6 minus 5. 16 plus 9 25. 25 plus 20 45. That is here up to this 45. 45 minus 11 34 greater than 0. Okay, again the point lies outside. Okay, students, minus 4 the whole square 16 minus 3 the whole square 9 minus 5 into minus 4 plus 20. So up to this 45. Okay, 45 minus 11 34 greater than 0. So therefore, what is your conclusion? The point minus 4 comma minus 3 lies outside the circle. So same problem is there in example also. Okay, students. So very easy problem. Very easy problem. Just we need to substitute the given point in the given circle. So if it is greater than 0, point P lies outside. Less than 0, the point P lies inside. Is equal to 0, the point lies on the circle. Okay, students. So if you like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel. Okay, students. Bye.